Iyalen, in the heart of the Amazon, archaeologists unearthed a 2,000-year-old clay tablet depicting a thunderstorm. This ancient artifact, found in a forgotten civilization's ruins, reveals that early humans believed thunderstorms were caused by the gods' anger. The tablet's intricate carvings show lightning bolts and rain, symbolizing divine wrath. This discovery challenges our understanding of ancient weather interpretations, highlighting the deep connection between early societies and natural phenomena. It offers a glimpse into how ancient cultures explained the unexplainable. Like, comment, and subscribe for more fascinating archaeological discoveries.